Hello friends, and welcome back to my next video. Today my brother is being nice enough to help me again, and we decided to put in the side door. So I forgot because we got started this morning and I just forgot to start recording things. So I figured I'd start now and I'll show you what we've gotten done so far. So what we did is we got the door and we put it on top of the cardboard box that it came in, and then we traced it out. So we used this, and this was, and I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so that was our template. And then we just taped it right to the side of the chuck. So when we taped it, we had to make sure that it was level and plumb. Problem being that, you know, truck is never going to be level and plumb. So we had to do a bunch of measurements. And we taped that cardboard up there and then traced around it. And I used my circular saw to cut those out. Went a lot faster and a lot easier than the windows. And I guess we're at about maybe 4 or 5 hours worth of work. There was some things we had to like do a little extra trimming, and at the bottom there's this metal trim piece right in here that had to be cut out so that the door would lay flush. I had to cut it out all the way over there. And then the bottom, the sill plate here, goes right on top of the tile. So the next step is we've already lifted it up, made sure that it fit, and it fits really good. So the next thing we're going to be doing is actually installing the door. So I've already made marks on the wall when we held the door up there where all the screws are going to go. So I already have those marked. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to drill those out first, then we'll put the door up. We'll have to put some butyl tape up there so that nothing leaks, and then screw it in. Wrap on the outside. Good. Just want to cut both edges. Really well. So after installing the door, I just used 100% all-purpose silicone waterproof caulking and went around the outside. And now I'm going to use ultra sealant non-leveling Dicor to cover all of the screw holes, because any place where there's penetration that's through the outside of the thing, there's always a chance to leak. So I'm going to put this on all of the screw holes before I actually put the cover plate over top. So now it's time to get started with the Dicor non-leveling caulk. I'm just going to put that over top of all the screw heads.
That's all I need. It takes.
So here is the end product with the caulking from the top to the bottom. Really fits nice. I think it came out really nice. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to put the trim on because the trim will go on here and it'll cover these screw heads. But because I just caulked on the outside and in the inside, I don't want to mess that up. So I'm gonna wait and finish that up tomorrow. But everything opens really nice, no problem. Opens right up, and the built-in screen door. So another big project done.